Can critical power management software be installed in a data center? Critical power management can, and has been, installed in a data center before. There are two ways our software is handled. One method is to productize it, where you can order, for example, an ASCO 5702 power management gateway, and have it shipped fully security hardened, tested, verified, and validated to a site. The other method is to use a facility's existing equipment and existing IT service management team to make sure it's updated and secure. It is very possible, and it also allows for more robust and more reliant installations such as high availability and fault tolerance. Solutions can range from as simple as virtual machine assistance to as complicated as tying into a data center SQL cluster, which many businesses have for failovers for a database, and then also running a couple instances with failing over and allowing updates so that one server is always running and monitoring the equipment while the other gets updated in a failover situation ready to take control, much like PLCs, to synchronize to the database.